Welcome back to the channel, Food Explorers. Today, we're diving into one of Indonesia's most cherished dishes, Nasi Kuning, or yellow rice. This vibrant, golden dish is not just delicious, it's steeped in tradition, history, and culture. Stay with us as we uncover unknown facts about this Indonesian classic. Let's kick things off with the origins and historical background of Nasi Kuning. Nasi Kuning, which translates to yellow rice, originates from Java, Indonesia, but it is enjoyed across the entire country. The golden color of the rice comes from turmeric, symbolizing wealth, prosperity, and good fortune in Indonesian culture. Nasi Kuning has been traditionally served at festive occasions, such as birthdays, weddings, and religious celebrations. During the Majapahit Kingdom, Nasi Kuning was a royal dish, often served to the king and his court to symbolize honor and respect. It's often used as the centerpiece of a tumpeng, a ceremonial cone-shaped rice dish that's a symbol of gratitude. Nasi Kuning isn't just a tasty meal, it holds deep symbolic value in Indonesian culture. The yellow color of the rice is said to represent the riches of the earth and Indonesia's fertile land. In Javanese culture, the dish is often made to ask for blessings, especially during important life milestones. During the Islamic holiday of Maulid Nabi, the Prophet's birthday, Nasi Kuning is commonly served as part of the celebrations. Nasi Kuning is often placed in the center of an offering during Selamatan, a traditional Javanese feast to seek protection and blessings from ancestors. In Balinese Hindu tradition, the yellow color of the rice is associated with the god Vishnu, who is believed to protect and sustain the earth. The key ingredient that gives Nasi Kuning its color and aroma is turmeric, which also has anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut milk is used to cook the rice, adding richness and creaminess to the dish. Lemongrass, bay leaves, and kaffir lime leaves are often added to the rice for extra fragrance and flavor. The dish is usually served with a variety of side dishes, including fried chicken, boiled eggs, fried anchovies, sambal, and tempeh. Nasi Kuning is often garnished with fried shallots, cucumber slices, and a sprinkle of grated coconut for added texture. Nasi Kuning may have a classic recipe, but there are plenty of regional variations across Indonesia. In Manado, North Sulawesi, Nasi Kuning is spiced up with a side of rica, a fiery chili sauce that adds an extra kick. Some regions in Indonesia add shrimp paste to the rice for a more savory and umami flavor. In Bali, Nasi Kuning is often paired with lawar, a mix of vegetables, coconut, and minced meat, making it a festive meal. South Kalimantan's version includes a side of boiled eggs cooked in a spiced coconut milk sauce, adding a rich and hearty twist. In East Nusa Tenggara, a unique version of Nasi Kuning is made with cassava instead of rice, giving it a different texture. Aside from being delicious, Nasi Kuning offers some nutritional benefits. Turmeric, the star ingredient in Nasi Kuning, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cooking the rice in coconut milk adds healthy fats, which help in absorbing the nutrients from the turmeric. Nasi Kuning is usually served with a balanced mix of proteins, vegetables, and carbs, making it a well-rounded meal. The lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves used in the dish are great for digestion and have calming properties. The dish is gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Nasi Kuning is often shaped into a cone, called a tumpeng, during special events to symbolize a mountain, representing the connection between humans and their gods. The cone shape is typically surrounded by various side dishes that represent different elements of life: protein, vegetables, and crunchy garnishes. During ceremonies, the tip of the tumpeng is usually cut first by the host and given to the most respected guest, as a sign of honor. In some parts of Java, the dish is decorated with banana leaves to further highlight its connection to nature and the earth. After the ceremonial cutting of the tumpeng, the rice is distributed among the guests, symbolizing togetherness and sharing. Nasi Kuning has evolved with time, and now we see modern versions of this traditional dish. Some modern variations of Nasi Kuning include fusion elements like adding grilled chicken or even Western-style barbecue meats. In upscale restaurants, Nasi Kuning is sometimes served in individual portions with gourmet garnishes like edible flowers or truffle oil. Vegetarian versions of Nasi Kuning are becoming more popular, often served with tofu, tempeh, and vegetable sides. Chefs in Indonesia have started experimenting with healthier versions, using brown rice or quinoa instead of white rice. Street vendors now serve Nasi Kuning in easy-to-carry boxes, making it a convenient breakfast or lunch option for busy city dwellers. It has gained attention not just in Indonesia but around the world. It's a favorite dish at Indonesian food festivals held in countries like the Netherlands, Australia, and the US. Many Indonesian restaurants overseas feature Nasi Kuning as a key dish to introduce foreigners to Indonesian cuisine. Nasi Kuning has been featured on international food shows, including Anthony Bourdain's Parts Unknown, where it was highlighted as a must-try dish. The dish is often served in Indonesian embassies during official events and celebrations, showcasing the country's culinary heritage. Nasi Kuning has become a symbol of Indonesian pride, with its vibrant color and rich flavor representing the diversity and richness of the country's culture. And there you have it, unknown facts about Nasi Kuning, Indonesia's golden rice dish. Whether it's served during a celebration or as a daily meal, this dish holds a special place in Indonesian hearts and kitchens. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.